Hey everyone, you here back with another unboxing video, and today we have the white Octagon and diamond Bruiser 5-pack. Again, we are trying out something new with the light here, so let me know how that is. But we got black core Ventry, white special attack Octagon, green, okay, one of these is Butterclaw, one of these is Hammerhead. I think that's Butterclaw, that's Hammerhead. And diamond, Bruiser, I quickly spaced on that. You get 3 aquatic because he's 3. And yeah, everything in the box. Got everything on the back plus your stats, how to put your special attacks together, the beautiful art up top. I am happy to have a new Ventry. Butterclaw over here just living his best life. Claw with the butter. Yeah, let's open this up. Much like the last video, you can tell I am out of practice when it comes to doing these videos. Much like how we got a red ripcord with no reds, we got a blue with no blue. That's interesting. Cut the plastic strips, free everything from their plastic prison. And we have Blaze Warrior and Scorch Whips with this pack. Wonder if we'll get the correct cards, seeing how Wave 2 has had a bad habit of incorrect cards, it seems, for the special attack rings. Well, at least for Nilius on that 1-3 pack. Alright. Got a white card holder ripcord thingy. It's also interesting that Bruiser gets Blaze Swords. Wonder, is it actually going to be like a diamond Blaze Swords? Probably not. Let's be real. It's probably going to be the incorrect card. Because so far Wave 2 has given me very little hope of correct cards. Alright. Diamond Bruiser. Alright. Cards. Whoop. And there goes the ripcord. And there goes the camera. But ripcord. Don't need scissors anymore. Hammerhead. So I was right on which one was which. Butterclaw and Ventry. What the heck, those popped out so much easier than the last pack. So just to spite you, Yui. I know. And how dare they? Even that went in a lot easier, or back in rather. Alright. Oh wait, I do still need the scissors because I still need to free the cards. Hee-hoo. My bad. Alright. Got Roblox code. The not quite check sheet, you know, now that they're actually releasing with stuff. All of our cards put off to the side. And oh, another piece of this set. I love it. Green, red, green. And then another piece of the fossil set. I think that might be it. And I think there's like one piece missing from this, but green through the middle with blue, blue. It's much like that one in the previous pack, actually. Alright. We'll save Ventry because I love Ventry. Got Butterclaw, claw with the butter. Honestly, that looks a lot more like butter. Really, I like this coloration more than the red one. Alright. Arrow, there it is. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan, bro. Oh, he fell over. Also, Ventry was rolling away. He's a Butterclaw. Claw with the butter. Let's flip out his feet. Okay. A little stiffer than the red one, apparently. Whoop, he came apart. He's a Butterclaw. Really like Butterclaw. He's a neat little dude. Alright, now green Hammerhead. Another Hammerhead for the collection. Let's see. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan, bro. Hey! Good Hammerhead. Looks very interesting with the green coloration. I think the normal blue is my favorite so far. Right, so now our brand new Ventry. Love having more Ventry. Now if only we can get a white special attack. But, you know, maybe one day. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan, bro. Nice. And bro. Oh, come on, Ventry. There we go. Hold out here. I love the silver on the feathers. Almost makes it look like she has metallic tail feathers. Oh no, I was like, is there silver on the talons? Nope. But it's a brand new Ventry. I love she. She is good. Alright, so now we'll bring top of the tin back for our special attacks by Hammerhead. Got white Octogan, some lovely gold there, silver aquatic clan symbol. Again, we got Scorch Whips on our am I going crazy or is it upside down? I don't think so. Hang on. Nope, I'm losing it. I thought Scorch Whips was like upside down for some reason. Whoop! Just keep bumping the camera. But I also tried not to drop Octogan there. Okay, 3, 2, 1, Bakugan, bro. Yep, that's about as crazy as a Scorch Whip's special attacks goes. Sticking to the corner. Come on. It magnetized, it just got stuck. There is white Octogan. Some nice sky blue on the eye and dark blue there on the back of the head. Very nice. And again, I love how special attack Octogan is. Very neat. Alright, and now our Diamond Bruiser. I'm surprised the Misfit Clan isn't gold, actually. Got some red there, red on the horns. Okay, I will admit, I do like how this Blaze Swords just blends in quite nicely with its base. Alright. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan, roll. Surprised it wasn't as crazy. Usually Blaze Swords is all over the place. Or Blazing Warrior. This gear. There. Bruiser. Got some orange the head, yellow for the eyes, orange on the nose ring. Again, I'm surprised not really any gold on this diamond. Alright. So where did Octogan go? Keep that back off camera. Alright. Ventry, stand. Hammerhead back up, if he will stand back up. Here, off camera, better claw. There. Alright. Got hero cards. Off to the side. Alright. Green Hammerhead. 200, 500, 300. Pretty good. Black Ventry. If you have 2 other black Bakugan plus 200. Black, purple, whatever you want to say it really. 400, 100, 400. Green Butterclaw. If you have 2 more aquatics, plus 200. 2, 4, and 3. Not bad. White Octogan. 300, 200, 500. No extra effects. Diamond Bruiser. Counted as a red. If you have 2 mammals, plus 200. Interesting that this art does not match the art on the box. Nah. But 100, 400, 400. And then, yep, we got wrong cards. We got Diamond Blaze Swords. Actually, no, because I think that's supposed to be Blazing Warrior. Fudge. I need to check my rings, because now I'm confused. Check my cards, at least. If I can get the cards out of my little card box here, without the hero cards coming out also. Swords. Yeah, that is supposed to be Blazing Warrior. So we got another Diamond Blaze Swords, which is alright, I guess. It's 1, 4, 2. It's just, you know, the wrong ring. And speaking of wrong wings, instead of Scorch Whips, we get Starflails. 100, 100, 300. Why is Wave 2 filled with so many misprints? At least the majority of the misprints seem to be specifically on the rings, and these aren't new rings, so at least we have the correct cards for them. It's just still annoying. But moving on, we got Juno, 100, 100, Mammal on blue, plus 400. I think that's a new one. Reprint Backslash, 200 green, plus 300 if your Bakugan is green, and 100. And then, ooh, brand new Mia! This is definitely going to my decks. 100 on red, green if you're avian, plus 300, and 200 on blue. Love new Mia cards. We take those. So, yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong, I'm happy to have another diamond. Its effect is also really good. But, I mean, just the wrong attack rings, like, why? Anyways, if you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. Let me know what you think about using the desk light. I mean, personally, okay, I guess it is a bit of a difference. It just seems a lot darker off camera than it is on camera. Anyways, don't forget to check out the Bakugan playlist I got, links in the description, all that fun stuff. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!